Hello, this is Bobby here at Copel TV Repair with a video today for a T-Con board for Vizio XVT3D474 inch, I don't remember, 47, 440 something, whatever. I will post that in the title. The board number is 3647-0062-0147. The 9C doesn't matter. This is the T-Con board for this 3D model, and the board was sent by a customer for repair. The TV was coming up with nothing on the screen, and they had sent us the main board for repair, and it was bad, and we fixed it, and then we returned it, and customer said they don't have anything on the screen. They wanted money back, so they sent the main board back. We made a video, it's somewhere else in our YouTube channel, and we showed them that the main board is working fine and that same TV, and then they sent that T-Con based on our request, and it was bad indeed, and now it is repaired, and I'm going to show you that it is functional now by turning on the TV. The Vizio logo came up. And now it's going to come on the screen itself. There you go. It takes a while on our TV because the main board that we're using, to test the EEPROMs. Real quick, I'm going to show you here. With that socket here, we are testing EEPROMs. But it does have a problem with the HDMI. It doesn't recognize them, and it spends a lot of time at the initialization stage trying to recognize the HDMI. That's why it's so slow in the beginning. Here I'm just showing that the T-Con board is working just fine. I'm only using the built-in menu, and channel not available. And that is all. This is the T-Con. The original customer didn't mark it, so we brought here CTVR, and that's a unique marking on the board so that the customer knows that the board that they will receive back will be unique. This is our original board underneath, the one that is sitting in the TV. Actually, I can turn off the TV and power off. And remove that from here, 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 and here. And this is our original board. Down here there's another customer's board. So that's the one that I removed. It's going to have a sticker at the back where I'll put today's date. And that's all. Thank you.